So the course has been intense but enjoyable. Before starting the course, I knew a lot of the principles, but I didn't know why I knew them, and this has reinforced those. But it also gives you that ability to go back and provide the evidence to support why you're making these strategic business decisions.
Again, it's been intense. I've come into it a little bit colder, not as much industry experience, but I think it's been quite easy to follow from the concept sort of stage, but the detail has been quite there. You know, it's quite in depth and there's a lot to follow.
Definitely been able to support what your theories are. So, you know, when you're saying to people that it's going to cost this much, and then you can support reasons why. And we discussed earlier about delays to a project. You can actually see what those delays are going to cost you now, rather than just saying, as we've done in the past, we know this might be a delay and we'll accept the consequence.
I think from my point of view, it's definitely going to increase optioneering. Having the tools to be able to look at the different options and select which one is going to be the best one to take forward will be the most important factor for me, I think.
Again, it's that ability to support what you're saying. You know, nobody wants to take people's word for anything anymore, so now you can actually give them a full report to say this is why you need to make these decisions.
I think for me it's been able to have the confidence that the decisions you're making has some scientific background and basis, and it also highlights a few areas you maybe wouldn't have thought of if you were doing things by hand.